Your roof is one of the most important components of your home, acting as the first line of defense against the elements. Over time, exposure to weather, wear and tear, and general aging can compromise your roof's ability to protect your home. That's why it's essential to be aware of the signs that indicate you need a roof repair. In Warren, where weather conditions fluctuate between hot summers and cold, snowy winters, keeping your roof in top condition is key to maintaining the safety and comfort of your home. In this article, we'll highlight some common signs that suggest your roof may need repair, and why addressing these issues promptly can help you avoid expensive repairs down the line. Missing or damaged shingles. One of the most noticeable signs that your roof may need repairs is missing or damaged shingles. Shingles are designed to protect your roof from moisture and other environmental factors. When they are missing or damaged, the layers underneath are exposed and vulnerable. Curling shingles. If the edges of your shingles are curling or lifting, this could indicate that they are nearing the end of their lifespan. Shingles that are curled or damaged are less effective at shedding water and protecting the roof structure. Cracked or broken shingles. Weather conditions such as hail, high winds, and intense sunlight can crack or break shingles. Even small cracks can lead to water penetration, which can cause further damage to your roof. Missing shingles. Missing shingles leave your roof exposed, making it easier for moisture to seep through the roof deck. It's important to address missing shingles quickly to avoid water damage. If you notice any of these issues, it's time to call a professional roofing company in Warren to assess the damage and determine if repairs or a full roof replacement is necessary. Leaks and water stains inside your home. Another telltale sign that your roof needs repair is the presence of leaks or water stains inside your home. If you notice spots on your ceiling or walls, especially after a rainstorm or snow melt, it could be an indication of roof damage. Visible stains. Water stains are discoloration on your ceiling, often the result of water leaking through your roof and collecting on the ceiling below. These stains can appear as yellow or brown patches, and over time, they may become larger and more prominent. Leaks during rainstorms. If you notice leaks during a rainstorm, it's a clear sign that your roof is compromised. Leaks can cause significant damage to your home's interior, including walls, floors, and furniture, so it's important to address this issue promptly. By addressing leaks and water stains early, you can prevent extensive damage to the structure of your home and avoid costly repairs in the future. Sagging roof deck. A sagging roof deck is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. This often occurs when water has penetrated the roof and weakened the structure. If you notice that your roof appears to have a dip or sag, it's a clear indication that there's a problem. Moisture damage. Moisture that infiltrates the roof deck can cause it to soften and weaken over time. If the roof deck becomes too weakened, it can result in the roof collapsing, which can lead to significant damage to the interior of your home. Structural issues. A sagging roof can be the result of underlying structural issues such as rotting beams or a weakened truss system. If you notice this issue, contact a professional roofing company immediately for a thorough inspection. A sagging roof is a serious problem that should not be ignored. Prompt action can help prevent a major collapse and save you from costly repairs or even the need for a full roof replacement. Clogged or damaged gutters. Your gutters play a crucial role in directing water away from your roof and foundation. When gutters become clogged or damaged, they can cause water to pool on your roof, leading to leaks and potential structural damage. Overflowing gutters. If your gutters are overflowing with water, it can indicate that they are clogged with debris such as leaves, twigs, or dirt. Clogged gutters prevent water from draining properly, which can cause it to back up and damage the roof. Damaged gutters. Damaged or detached gutters can also cause water to accumulate around the roof, leading to moisture penetration. It's important to regularly inspect your gutters and ensure they are free from debris and functioning properly. Gutter maintenance is an essential part of roof care. If you notice issues with your gutters, it's important to have them repaired and cleaned to prevent further roof damage. Age of your roof. The age of your roof is another important factor to consider when evaluating the need for roof repair. Roofing materials have a limited lifespan, and older roofs are more prone to damage from weather conditions and general wear. Typical lifespan. Asphalt shingles typically last between 20 to 30 years, while metal and tile roofs can last 40 years or more. If your roof is nearing or surpassing its expected lifespan, it may be time to consider repairs or a full replacement. Wear and tear. As roofs age, they become more susceptible to cracking, curling, and deteriorating. Even if you don't notice any visible damage, older roofs are often less efficient at protecting your home. If your roof is approaching the end of its lifespan, it's a good idea to have it inspected by a professional roofing contractor. They can assess its condition and recommend the best course of action. Conclusion. Your roof plays a vital role in protecting your home from the elements, and spotting the signs that it needs repair is essential for maintaining its integrity. In Warren, homeowners should be vigilant for signs like missing or damaged shingles, leaks and water stains, sagging roof decks, clogged gutters, and the age of their roof. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's important to contact a reliable roofing contractor for a thorough inspection and repair. By addressing roof issues early, you can prevent more extensive damage, save money on future repairs, and ensure that your home remains safe and secure for years to come. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't hesitate to call Roofing Warren experts to get the professional help you need.